come along with me as I teach my little niece to say carry me in Italian. Portami. Let me hold your hand. In.
Braccio.
Braccio. Let me see. Portami in braccio. And what will Aunt Adelaide do? I'll hold you if you say that. Do you like that? This is a great phrase for her because she wants me to carry her. So she's very willing to say it. Mabel, do you want me to carry you? Okay, let's say it in Italian. Here we go. Portami in braccio. Oh, you said it, so I'll do it. Oh, that was so nice. See how fast she says it because she wants me to carry her? Now we'll keep saying it throughout the day. Mabel, I want to put you down now. I'm done holding you. What are you going to say? Oh, okay, then I'll carry you because you said it so nicely. She's smiling. Are you happy that I carried you?
Mabel said portami in braccio.
She said that? Oh, well, I have to give her over. What did you say? Oh, portami in braccio. What do you want? Oh, if you say portami in braccio, I'll hold you because it means hold me and carry me in Italian. I will carry you everywhere. Mabel, do you want Darian to carry you? What do you have to say? Mabel, do you want me to carry you? What do you say? What do you say? Say portami in braccio. This is a girl who loves to be carried. Oh, come on, honey. What do you want to say to me? Yeah, say it. Portami. Okay. Okay, make him go left, right. Go. Oh. Oh. Who do you want? You want Daddy? Okay, yell at Daddy. Say, portami in braccio. Yell it to him. Say, Daddy. Daddy. Let's get him. Let's get his attention. Hurry. Excuse us. Okay, get his attention, girl. Yell it. Yell it. Daddy. Say it to him. Say it.
What? Say what?
Listen to her. Listen. Say it again. Portami in braccio.
Portami in braccio. Porta broccoli. Couldn't understand her not Italian accent.
Ah!
Oh, lucky that. Handling Dad's shoulders?
Darian, I'm on Mabel's legs.
Mabel! Ah! We already forgot how to say the phrase. We gotta play the audio again. Okay, I remember it even last day. Here we go. Portami in braccio. Portami in braccio. Let me hear you say it. Don't you want to hold her now, Noah?
Yeah. I'll pick you up right now.
Do you want me to carry you, Amelia? Okay, say portami in braccio. That's hold me in Italian, okay? Portami in braccio. 9. You say that? That means carry me in your arms. Portami in braccio. Oh, she said portami in braccio.
Oh, you're hurting me.
It's so nice.
Such a good job saying portami in braccio.
That was nice, Nolan. Let's all
Portami
hear-
gazpacho.
Okay, we're all gonna say the phrase again so you can remember how to say it. Here we go. Can you guys hear?
Say it loud.
Portami
Portami
in
in
braccio.
braccio.
Portami in braccio.
Portami in braccio.
Okay, I will do that. Come over here.
Portami in braccio.
Okay.
Portami in braccio.
It's such a good job. It's such a good job. I love holding you. Thanks for saying that in Italian. Did you say portami in braccio?
Yeah.
That's so nice. And what am I doing?
Portami.
Uh-huh. Oh, it's so good.
Portami in braccio.
Very nice, Nolan.
It's sad when I say it, but nothing happens. I wrote it.
You said that? You said portami in braccio? That's so great. And he held you? Mabel! Wow. Want to become a Fluency family? Get started with your first box by clicking here. If you're ready for our next video, click here.